Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am so happy that you clicked on it, but make it a little bit softer, girly, and more feminine. Just ignore the fact that I am a super productive and work in a very hectic, chaotic environment kind of a person, and a very that sort of a person जो अपने आप को बहुत tough time देता है. But let's ignore that fact and just be a little girly for this vlog. वैसे तो मैं बहुत girly हूँ. I am starting this video with a little bit of twist. It is a break time and I ordered myself some fries. So hungry. Didn't have anything for breakfast and I forgot my Sundays. मतलब मेरी दोस्त कल मेरे लिए Sundays लेके आई थी and I forgot that. तो वही ले आती मैं. Anyways, let's grab my fries. My fries. I got my fries. Let's go. Started this video from my office and here is just my break time. I ordered fries for myself and then I prayed Zohar. Uske baad, I just attended a meeting and I did all the clientele work and all the work that I basically do. Just live in my ordinary office life, but I did make it a little bit girly by, wearing pink. When I got back home, I was teaching my students here and I take 2 online classes equals 4 hours. After I am done with that, I am going to have a cup of tea. Oh my god. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is a rather different way of starting the YouTube video. Honestly मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है different तरीके से editing styles और वो try करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है मुझे. तो I was like कि अगर मैंने इस वीडियो का नाम रखा है Soft Life in Islamabad, तो मैं थोड़ा सा पहले दिखाऊँ कि मैंने कैसा आज का दिन गुजारा है and then I start the video. Tell me if you liked this way as well. Don't worry, जो पुराना वाला तरीका वो करती रहूँगी मैं. Guys, let me tell you, we are really close to 500 subscribers and maybe जब तक मैं वीडियो डालूँ तब तक 500 हो जाए इंशाल्लाह. Honestly, I have started getting comments like, we miss your videos, we like your videos, or you are such a positive person, you radiate positivity, and I never thought I would get comments like this, but that was the entire motto, that was the entire concept जो मेरे mind में था इस channel को start करने से पहले. I was like, I want to do something different. I want to make these girls feel like, goddesses, and I want to make them feel productive. I want to make them productive. I feel like वो goal accomplish हो गया. So yeah, moving on to the topic of living a soft life. Really important, really important. Not every day can be very harsh. Don't be very harsh on yourself. Like sometimes मैं क्या करती हूँ कि रात को proper नींद नहीं लूँगी. सुबह जल्दी of course उठना होता है मुझे, ऑफिस या यूनिवर्सिटी होती है मेरी, तो it's not very nice. उसके बाद 9 to 5 and then I teach to students. उसके बाद content and तो रात के 1-2 बजे तक मेरा वही चलते रहता है. I don't have time for myself, like doing something special, doing something good for myself. I know all of these things. I'm super blessed to have the job, to have a university, to have friends, to go out and everything. लेकिन कभी कभी none of that matters. कभी कभी all you have to do is just drink water, watch something on your laptop and just relax. कभी कभी सिर्फ ये चीज़ें मैटर करती हैं कि आपने अपना स्किन केयर कर लिया, आपने अपना हेयर केयर कर लिया. ये चीज़ों पे आई एम ट्राइंग टू फोकस अ लॉट मोर. सो वाइल वी आर ऑन दैट टॉपिक, कब से मैंने इस तरह बैठ के बात नहीं की है. लाइक लेट्स जस्ट टॉक अबाउट दैट टॉपिक कि सॉफ्ट लाइफ के लिए व्हाट कैन यू डू. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज़ व्हेन यू वेक अप इन द मॉर्निंग, इंस्टेड ऑफ पिकिंग अप योर फ़ोन, drink some water. I did that today and I felt really good. Don't check your notifications. अगर देखो पूरी रात से वैसे भी नोटिफिकेशन आई हुई थी, आपने नहीं देखी. अगर 1 घंटा 2 घंटा लेट हो भी जाता है नोटिफिकेशन, इफ़ इट्स वर्क और इफ़ इट्स योर फ्रेंड्स, कोई बात नहीं. फॉर 1-2 days आप कर सकते हो, ठीक है. तो इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू ट्रीट योर सेल्फ फर्स्ट एंड देन ट्रीट अदर्स. सो makes sense. Else is journaling. Just journal for 5 minutes if you have the time. I believe, I know कि हर दिन टाइम नहीं मिलता इस तरह journaling करने का, manifestation करने का और रुक के 5 वगैरह मिनट करने का इस तरह. मगर what you can do is either even if you're not journaling, just close your eyes and think about it कि आपने आज दिन में क्या करना है, आज आपका दिन कैसा जाना चाहिए. Honestly, manifestation, you guys, this is like the end of July. I don't know when this video will be posted. This is the end of July right now and I made a vision board January से के बिल्कुल फर्स्ट वीक में वो मैंने अपने लैपटॉप के होम स्क्रीन लॉक स्क्रीन पे लगाया हुआ था और अभी तक लगा हुआ है. इट्स दिस एंड ऑफ दिस 7th month. ट्रस्ट मी, मैंने उसमें इतनी चीज़ें भरी थी कि आई वॉज लाइक मैंने रैंडम, मतलब आई डेंट इवन थिंक अबाउट इट. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स, कल मेरी दोस्त आई हुई थी, वी हैड लाइक अ मूवी डेट, एंड मैं उसको यही बता रही थी कि आई हैव डन मोस्ट ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. आई एम लाइक यू गाइज स्टार्ट मैनिफेस्टेशन. 3 things रिलेटेड टू योर इनर ब्यूटी जिससे बाहर आती है. वेयर परफ्यूम इवन इफ़ यू आर एट होम. आई वेयर परफ्यूम ऑल द टाइम and trust me, it makes me feel so special and gorgeous and just insane. Like, wear perfume, it's gonna make you feel better. Trust me, it's gonna make you feel positive and it's gonna make you feel special. Alright, the second thing is wear lip gloss. You can wear lip gloss all the time. आज randomly, like, I was sitting in my office and I was like मैंने जब वज़ू किया था तो मेरी लिपस्टिक जो है ना थोड़ी उतर गई थी, and I had like fries as well for my lunch. तो लिपस्टिक उतर चुकी थी. अगर मैं चाहती मैं ऐसी रहती, मगर मैंने अपनी बैग देखा एंड आई हैड अ ग्लॉस इन इट. टुक आउट माई ग्लॉस एंड आई अप्लाइड माई ग्लॉस एंड आई फेल्ट सो प्रिटी ऑनेस्टली, जस्ट विद अ क्लियर, इट वॉज जस्ट अ क्लियर ग्लॉस ऑन द बेयर लिप्स. लिटरली इतना अच्छा फील हो रहा था मुझे. दैट के अलावा अनदर थिंग इज़ पोस्ट समथिंग दैट विल मेक यू फील प्रिटी. You can either post a story, you can post a TikTok, you can post a likey, you can post a YouTube short, you can post on your Instagram a reel. Like मैं शेयर करूँ, मैं सुबह से बैठ के like सोच रही थी कि मैं क्या करूँगी. अपने ऑफिस टाइम में ब्रेक टाइम मिला था मुझे, मैं यही सोच रही थी मैं क्या इसके लिए कुछ बनाती हूँ. So that is about it, and now I'll just take you along some of my soft girl days. Later that day, I decided to have some healthy dinner, and here I am just hydrating myself. And after a good dinner, to have a very beautiful soft night, I am having this beautiful and delicious snack. It's not a snack actually, it's a sweet treat. But before going to bed, lastly, I'm going to do some dry wood combing because it's really good for your hair and your scalp. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. Good morning everyone. I didn't do my mascara, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk to my office today, and that's going to be something very related to the video as well. I'm taking my tea with me. Love walking nowadays. When I reached my office, I always, whenever I reach my office, the first thing I do is set up my table. And here I am just opening my laptop, and I am going to be taking out all the stuff from my bag that I need on my desk. These are my vitamins, and these are my hair care products. My notebook, जिसमें मैं अपनी सारी clients के बारे में लिखती हूँ, अपनी सारी updates and everything. Here I am just so tired, and बहुत गर्मी थी इस दिन because बहुत धूप थी, एंड मैं वॉक करके आई थी अपने घर से बहुत दूर से. इसके अलावा here I am just cooling myself down with my mini fan, and मैं अपने घर से चाय लाई थी. So I am having my tea here. Oh my goodness, गर्मी और चाय, yes sir. I mean like ये वीडियो जुलाई के एंड में बनी हुई है, तो it's still very hot here. Believe it or not, I'm trying to take a thumbnail picture here. But now back to work. I was doing all the client work, and then I was making my prospect sheets. I was seeing which clients to follow up on and the other calls that I have to make. Actually, when I did not put any mascara on, so I did bring my curler, and here I am just curling my lashes. I'm just a girl, guys. This is so cute. I love to do these things. Anyways, back to work. Here I am maintaining my prospect sheets because we have to submit our prospect sheets every Friday. So it's really important to, follow up on clients and make the prospect sheet and deliver. I ordered fries again today, and I got a sting as well. In the break time, I did read this book that was available in my office, and it was later that night when my sister ordered crusties, and it was so yummy. She ordered the glazed one for me, and I remember making a funny reel out of it because this moment I told you guys know I am a person who loves to spend some coin, and wo Tapriti because she was the one who ordered it. Side humorous things, guys. Anyways, it's the next day, it's the evening time, and here I am just doing some snack shopping. I really love snacks, and weekend bhi aane wala tha, so I had to get some snacks for myself, और मुझे कब से craving हो रही थी. I did some shopping, like some snack shopping for myself. ऑफिस में मुझे इतनी ज़रूरत पड़ती है इसकी एंड माई हेड इज़ हर्टिंग सो मच टुडे सो आई हैवंट हैड एनीथिंग टू ईट आई हैवंट हैड एनी टी आई एम डाइंग बट आई हैव 2 hours more to reach my students. Good morning everyone. This is सारी चीज़ें जो मैंने दिखाई हैं you can follow in order to have a soft life. Yeah, honestly there was workload in this video but the main purpose of it was to stay calm, try to remain calm, enjoy life more and just ordinary everyday things I wanted to share with you. So let's do some of these last things for the soft girl life together. Alright, what you can do is wear a very summery colored floral dress and here's mine. I'm gonna wear this one. I have to, it's Friday and it's gonna be a half day, so I'll be back home at around 1:15. So yeah, let's wear this. Let's do my makeup and come back. Just kidding, let's also do the makeup together, but this is the flowy dress. Love the vibe of it. Let's just quickly get ready. I'm so excited to share the rest of the points with you guys. Important sunscreen. I do take a walk to the mall or back home sometimes, so really important. I'm directly exposed in the sun. This is why I never miss sunscreen at all for brightening the under eyes. I just remembered a very good topic to discuss in this video that just happened like last night. Sky. Okay, so the topic was basically yesterday I came home at around 6 p.m. and then at 6 p.m. there was a student, I'm teaching him a course, so usko padhaya maine, and then at around 7 p.m. I have a Sharjah student, so मैं उसको online course पढ़ाती हूँ. Computer clothes में I did some oiling, I did some shampooing and then I had the yummiest housing. My mind was super relaxed. मैंने कोई editing नहीं की, मैंने कोई काम उसके बाद नहीं किया. I was just sitting and I was watching. वैसे देखने तक like Netflix open करने तक मुझे बज गए थे 11 o'clock. है ना, बहुत ज़्यादा ADHD है तो मैं एक चीज़ पर फोकस नहीं कर सकती एक टाइम पर, लेकिन मैं कोशिश पूरी करती हूँ कि मैं अपने आप को टाइम दूँ. Anyways, at around 10:30 मैंने अपना नेट बंद कर दिया. नेट बंद करने से मुझे बहुत हेल्प हो जाती है क्योंकि यूजुअली मेरे एडिटिंग सॉफ्टवेयर है ना वो नेट लेते हैं, तो लाइक जब बस कर दो ठीक है. तो मैं पास्ट वीडियोज़ में एडिटिंग पर फोकस बहुत ज़्यादा कर रही हूँ यूट्यूब के उसके ऊपर. आई हैड लाइक इनफ कॉन्टेंट, अगर मैं कल 9 8 करती तो इट विल बी फाइन. ठीक है, मैं लेटी हूँ 11 o'clock. आई हैड माई आइस पैक. दिस इज़ माई आई मास्क. तो ये मैंने लगाया है. आई told my sister she went out last night with my brother and mother. तो मैंने उससे कहा था मेरे लिए एक ड्रिंक ले आना है. जो देख के मैंने लेटी आई, put on my pink lamp and at around 12:30-40 तक मेरी आँख लगने लगी है. मैं सो गई. 8 o'clock मैं नेचुरली उठी हूँ और यूजुअली मेरी नींद बहुत डिस्टर्ब होती है. मैं हर घंटे से उठी होती हूँ. 8 o'clock मैं नेचुरली उठी हूँ एंड I wanted to wake up. I wanted to be like चलो उठ जाते हैं, कुछ करते हैं. So yeah, that's how much a positive and a calm life, a slow soft life is going to affect your daily days. So make sure कि you go out as well, have some slow outdoor days as well. तो जैसे आज मेरा जैसे कल मेरा slow outdoor day था. sort of I didn't do much yesterday outside my office. कल ऐसा मुझे लगा जैसे मतलब स्लो दिन था ऑफिस में. And makeup is done. Not doing mascara these days for some reason. Let's just wear these very summer friendly bracelets in the sand. Okay. Wear this ring, but I want to wear a lot today. Yeah, just these. Alright, now that you are ready, the next thing that I'm going to tell you is use a very summer friendly and a very sweet scent, and for that I'm going to use the Sapphire. This one, it's really sweet. Like it's not sweet in a bad way, it's sweet in a good way. Like it's very me. Yes, it's like this. And we're all set and ready. I'm so excited for the weekend. Actually, I always do something in the weekend just, to give myself a little something off. So yes, that is about it. Now what I want you to do is just get up, get yourself a drink. You can have matcha, you can have your ice cream, you can have your hot drinks. For me, I'm gonna have some tea. So let's go have some tea. Well, it's my tea. Guys, after my office, I am going to go do some more snack shopping with my brother because he's gonna pick me up. Guys, I did some hair care, and the last thing I do for this video is start off my weekend with some Netflix. I have some chips and I'm gonna enjoy my night. Right, I'm going to be starting the series, The Trigger. इसमें स्कूल कास्ट भी मुझे बहुत पसंद. Actually guys, I love the school dramas. Also, I think इसमें 10 episodes हैं. So Friday, Saturday and Sunday, let's binge watch and finish this. And I have some chips too.